at a train station. It's a train station because you can see a train. Waiting for a train that takes us to the city center so I can go to a camera store and buy a camera. Now in terms of what camera I'm gonna get, I'm not quite sure about that yet. I may or may not imply, but as you can probably tell, I don't vlog very often. So what do people even say in vlogs? Like, look at me telling you I'm about to board a train now. Is that what people do?
Now that literally says big ass fans.
Train's here, train's here. Woo! Getting on the train. Which side should we sit? It's so full, let's sit there. All road to ourselves. It won't last long. So we've just gotten off at the Bukit Bintang station. Let's go buy a camera. That's so funny.
You want to check your page?
Why? There it is. EOS R with a little tiny strap. Here it is. So tiny. There it is.
So you just take the body without the lens?
Just the body. Like it comes in a little pouch. Whoa, it's a lot of packaging. RF mount. There you go. Very tight. Click. It works. Nothing fancy in the box, the usual. Kudos for the new box design though. Very clean looking. So here is the EOS R body, and here is actually a 100D. It's actually quite a fair bit bigger than the 100D, well, wider. In terms of thickness, I mean, a DSLR is a DSLR, so it's gonna be thicker. This makes me glad that I'm taking the train. EOS R in hand. Oh, here's the box. I'm holding the EOS R right now. It does feel really good in the hands. Great vlogging camera right off the bat. Now, the R is not exactly the most uncontroversial camera out there, so why did I buy it? Well, for one, I think it's a really great all-rounder. Do you mind? I think it's a really good all-rounder, plus the fact that it does C-Log out of the box, 4K, 10-bit 422, which makes it a perfect B camera for my C100 Mark II. But I think I'll make a separate video on why exactly I went with the EOS R. Stay tuned. Of course, you can also expect a full hands-on review of the EOS R. So apart from that, I think that's pretty much it. We're on our way back to catch the train back home to avoid this dreadful traffic. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.